Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. I have another fun and easy farmhouse DIY project for us again today. I had this piece of wood outside and decided to make a cute outdoor sign with it. I plan on hanging it on my covered porch. The wood I am using is an old weathered 2x6, which was 29.5 inches long. The first thing I did before bringing it inside was sand it to get a smooth surface and to remove all the dirt and of course pollen that was on it. I mixed together plaster chalk paint and apple barrel King's Gold acrylic paint in a plastic cup. I then used a chip brush to give it a good coat of paint. I wasn't really worried about the streaks or thin parts. I wanted it to look rustic. After the front of the board was painted, I used my hot air gun to dry it quicker. In sporadic places, I would hold the gun closer so it would cause a little bubbling effect in the paint. I then painted all 4 sides of the board. I didn't worry about painting the back since it wouldn't be seen. Once I was finished painting and drying the board, I let it sit for an hour or so. I used a square in an attempt to make sure my words lined up. I created this design in Design Space, and I'll leave a link in the description for those of you who have a Cricut and are interested in recreating this design. I placed the vinyl on transfer tape and applied it to the wood. I decided I liked the honey going at an angle instead of straight with the rest of the words. Let me know in the comments how you would lay this design out. I laid out the design on the wood so I could decide how I wanted it to flow and look. After I had everything laid out the way I wanted, I used an old gift card to apply the vinyl to the sign. When I removed the transfer tape from the welcome, it actually pulled up some of the paint. That was fine because it gave it more of a rustic feel, so I just kept going with it. I used matte Mod Podge on the entire front of the sign. I did this to seal and protect the vinyl since this sign will be outdoors. After the Mod Podge dried, I added a sawtooth hook to the back so it could be hung. You can always use twine or another type of hanger, just whatever you've got on hand. I think this sign turned out perfect. It will go with my honeybee decor inside the house. Stay tuned, I have an exciting announcement at the end of this video. And guys, I wanted to let you know that I will be participating in the Red, White, and Blue Challenge hosted by Teresa B. DIY and Unicorn Dust Designs in May. All proceeds made in May will be donated to the Fisher House. Fisher Houses are a home away from home offered at no cost to military and veteran families, allowing them to be together with their loved ones receiving specialized care at military and VA medical centers around the world and ensure they can be a part of the healing process. Be sure to subscribe and check out the other participants in this challenge. Currently, my channel is not monetized, so if you could check out the link in the description and make a small donation, I would really appreciate it. Another way you can show your support is to watch the ads on the other participants' pages. By watching the ads and not skipping them, the ads' revenue will go up, which means the amount they will donate for this challenge will increase. I'll let you know more details about this challenge in the upcoming videos.